Macintosh.com with a Macintosh Quick Tips tutorial. This is tutorial number 3, I believe, and today I'm just going to show you how to do some basic Dashcode stuff. Dashcode, if you don't know, is a program used to make dashboard widgets. For instance, this one, all of these are made by Dashcode. So, to download Dashcode, you have to be a Apple developer. You can sign up at developer.apple.com. But anyways, after you download it, you're going to go into your Macintosh HD, and then you're going to go to Developer, Applications, and then Dashcode. The newest version, you can do web application for the iPhone/iPod Touch, but we're just gonna go straight to dashboard widgets right now. So let's choose. First off, this is your template chooser. For instance, RSS feed. So you could rename this to whatever you want. And then you're just going to follow this basic workflow steps. It's all right here. Provide an RSS feed. Go there, put the RSS feed in, set the attributes. So this right here, and then the version, whatnot. Preview the default image, which is this, and then design a widget icon. Very simple. Alright, so let's open a new one. This one is going to be a custom one. And I'm just going to show you, very basic, how to add a link. So, to do this, you're going to right click on it, go to events, and click. You're going to name this whatever you want. I'm going to name it Open My Site. Then you go to your library, and here you have a bunch of different cool parts. You can add buttons, gauges, and whatnot. And you also have pre-written code. So you're going to go to the external access and then show website. You're going to drag that in there. This is all JavaScript, by the way. If you don't know it, you should probably learn it. But you can do everything without it. And then you're just going to name this site to whatever you want right here. So then we're going to hit the run button, which just tests it out. You click it. As you can see, Firefox is opening up. And it goes to evenmoremac.com. So that's very basics on how to add a link to a text or a picture or whatever you want. And more quick tips on